Come. Come closer. That's too close. I have a confession to make. I'm an addict. Oh no, I'm an orange juice addict. And today, I'm here to try this machine here at Dubai Metro Station. Just imagine 10 dirhams. You are going to get your freshly squeezed orange juice. So I'm going to try now and let's see how it's. Wow, it's so fast. Okay, so I'll just press now start and let's see. Oh, look at the cup. Let's see, this cup will be filled by how many oranges. So machine start moving and that's orange number 1. Wow, it's cut in like middle. And that's orange number 2. And that's orange number 3. And that's orange number 4. Orange number 5. Orange number 6. Number 7. So the 7 was not counted and it's only 6. The glass is almost filled. And the machine said, please wait, the glass is filled, but it took it inside. I don't know for what. Let me just see. I can't see. They sealed it. They sealed it. Sealing cup, it said. Collect your juice. So the juice is ready now. The door and get my fresh juice. Oh, it's giving me change. Wait. I thought it's 10 dirham. 3 dirhams. That's mean only 7 dirham. Look at this. Now it was at 10, but now it's 7. So just at 7 dirham, I have my fresh juice, and I will just see how it tastes. Oh, it's sealed like very tight. Oh, look at this. Look at the bits and look at the seeds. So fresh. Cheers. The orange is nice and it's kind of sweet a bit, but not too much sweet, and it's totally fresh. So within just 1 minute, fresh juice. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know by writing in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. As I see you all in the next episode of Amir Princely Views.